Hi, I'm Mr. Build It, here with Ryobi, showing you just how easy it is to replace a door that's ready to get upgraded. Let's get started. First, we'll need to remove the door, and we'll be doing that using a hinge pin remover. Next, we'll be removing the rest of the hardware. You could use a screwdriver or an impact drill with a Phillips bit. Now, we'll be needing to mark out our hinge positions for our brand new door. There's a couple ways of doing that. You could either measure the locations on the door frame. The easier way to do that is lay the old door next to the new door and trace out your marks. With the door safely secured to the ground on its edge, we'll be using our hinge routing template, aligning it on top where we made our markings. And what's great about a jig like this, it has a clamp on the side that secures it to your door without damaging your new door. With our hinge template secured to our door, we'll be using our router that's equipped with a router bit that came with our jig. The great thing about this jig is it has an onboard depth guide that's specifically set to the precise depth that we'll be working with. Now all that's left is to mortise out our first hinge. Repeat the process for the remaining hinges. Next, we'll be using our self-centering hinge bit that came with our hinge template to mark out all of our pilot holes for our brand new hinges. With our pilot holes all laid out, we'll be securing our brand new hinges to our door first, because that'll make it a lot easier to install it later. Now with our hinges on, we can now start installing it to our door frame. With the door safely secured to our door frame, we're ready to start installing the door handle. To do that, we'll be using the help of our door installation kit. There'll be a few holes that we'll need to cut first. The crossbar that will accompany the door handle, the latch board that will help for the door latch to come in place, and with the help of our auto strike plate locator, it'll ensure a measurement-free installation. Using the auto strike plate locator, align it to the strike plate on the door frame. Once in place, secure the door installation kit using hardware screws. Now that that's in place, we're ready to drill our crossbar, and now we bore out the backside. Now that we have a nice clean crossbar for our door handle, we're ready to move on to the latch bore. To do that, we'll be using a hole saw that also came with a door installation kit. With a nice clean latch bore in place, we're ready to use our door latch router template. It comes with a faceplate locator that helps align everything perfectly in place. Once clamped in place, we're ready to use our router bit that came with the template. With the onboard depth guide set exactly to the precise depth that we need, we're ready to start boring out our faceplate. We're ready to install the latch and door handle. We'll start with the latch first. Latch is in, let's install the door handle. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. I'm Mr. Build It, and we'll see you next time.